welcome. Today in front of me new iPad Air 2022 and I'll show you how to check the device full model on our tablet. So you should go into the settings for the first, and here you'll see the general section. Now just tap here to the about, and here we got the model name and model number. In our case, the full our model device name, the iPad Air 5th generation, and also it's the Wi-Fi edition. So that's it. That's how to check the full device model on our iPad Air. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.